Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Mewgenics game. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Mewgenics game. I don't have the Mewgenics game, so I am showing the example with another game. So you have to right click on Mewgenics game and then select properties. Go to the controller tab and then here change the settings to disable Steam input first and then just restart the game because changing require the restart of the game, and then check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to controller tab and this time enable Steam input and again restart the game and then check if a problem is solved or not. This fixes all the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Solution 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. And then check if the controller is working in Mewgenics game or not. Solution 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other software on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as phone, camera, USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check if it fixes the problem or not. Solution 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you're using wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. And if you're using wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Solution 5 is to verify the integrity of game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Mewgenics game and select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files and then check if a problem is solved or not. Solution 6, use a wired controller. This is a alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. And the last solution is to restart Steam or restart PC. So simply restart your Steam and then check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Mewgenics game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.